Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Java JDK 24 on Oracle Linux. First open terminal, verify whether we have the Java or not. Java -- version. See, you don't have Java, Ctrl C. Now open any web browser, then download the Java JDK 24. Go to oracle.com. Then click on products, then click on Java, then click on download Java. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release is Java JDK 24. But if you are unable to find the version, here you can click on this Java archive. There you will find all older versions. And see here, Java JDK 24 is the latest one and 21 is the LTS version. Okay. So, in this video, I am going to download the latest one. If you want 21, you have to select this JDK 21. Okay. The latest release is Java JDK 24. So select Java JDK 24, then click on Linux, then scroll down. See here we have the Java JDK. See here x64 RPM package for Java JDK 24. So click on this one for the Oracle or RHL versions. So click on it to download. See, download started and its size is 232 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now go to terminal, cd, downloads, ls. See here we have the JDK 24 RPM package. We have to install it. Sudo rpm-ivh, then give JDK, give the tab to autofill entire RPM package name. Hit enter, then provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, it is installing Java JDK 24. We have successfully installed. Now verify the version. Java version. See, we have installed Java JDK 24. Okay. Now we can create the Java programs, compile and execute it on Oracle Linux 9. Okay. Ls, this file is not required anymore because we have successfully installed Java JDK. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Java JDK 24 on Oracle Linux 9. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.